What happens if we put a drone and a balloon inside a truck that's accelerating? You might think that both the drone and the balloon would crash into the back of the truck as it speeds up. After all, it seems logical to assume that the force of the truck's acceleration would push everything inside backward. But is that really the case? In fact, the drone, while it might initially experience a slight backward movement, will quickly stabilize and hover in place as it adjusts to the air inside the truck. The balloon, on the other hand, behaves quite differently. Because of its very small mass and the fact that it's fully immersed in the air inside the truck, it acts more like a fish in a plastic bag of water during acceleration. The balloon doesn't move backward at all because it's carried along with the air inside the truck, remaining completely still relative to its surroundings.